Welcome back, children. We are going to learn about the slow movement now. The effects of slow movement can be seen in the form of formation of mountains or continent on the earth crust. It can be explained in the following way. Now, children, a distinguished pattern has been given. The effects, the direction of the wave, effects, and the effects on soft rock. Now, children, what is happening? If it is a hard rock and soft rock, so the waves moving toward each other is called as compression, and the waves moving from each other, like away from each other, it is called as tension. So if it is coming together, it could be called as either pressure or it could be called as compression. If it is going away from each other, it is called as tension. If the rocks are hard, what happened? The rocks one on the other, like it will like one above the other, the rocks will subside. But if it is going away, a hollow space is created, and what happens if the rocks are hard? A space is created in between, a hollow space. It could be seen like this, children. It could result in folding either downward or upward, and because of this tension, always up, like a hollow space has been created. The lands gets divided up. So let us have this thing in the form of one activity. Now, I have made a strip of paper, children. We have to take a strip of paper. A strip of paper I have taken, children. Now what is happening? The arrows are showing downward. So if I'm going to bring this both ends together like this. So what is happening, children? It is resulting in formation of mountain. See, like this. A mountain has been made, no? See, if it is like this, if I'm bringing the same pressure, either it is going downward or it could go upward, depending on the force. Either downward or it could go upward. Now what thing is that? It is called as compression. Compression is resulting into work either form of mountains or it could result in formation of depths. Formation of depths. So leave it aside. Let us try to learn with another strip which is resulting into tension. Now children, tension is what happening. The force is getting into reverse action. If I'm going to create lot of tension over it, what will happen, children? Suddenly, if the tension is tremendous with great energy, ultimately it will lead to subside. The things will get broken up, children. So what happened with tension, children? When the force was toward the opposite side, it resulted into formation of faults. So have you got the idea, children? Tension, the force is going in opposite direction. Compression, the force is coming toward the similar direction. I hope this experiment and our strips are very clear to you, children. The geographical explanation for this compression and tension will be taken in our next lecture. Thank you so much today. Please try to solve the questions which are followed by this video. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.